Are you curious about the secrets of the rook? Prepare to be amazed. The rook, a member of the crow family, is full of surprises. They thrive in open fields and farmlands, enjoying mild weather. Ancient cultures saw them as symbols of wisdom and mystery. In Celtic lore, they're protectors. In Greek mythology, they're messengers of the gods. But in some tales, they're tricksters. Rooks are clever defenders, using teamwork to ward off predators. And get this, they never forget a face, a hiding spot, or a predator. Unique traits? Oh, they can mimic human speech, use tools, and solve puzzles. 3 fun facts. Rooks hold funerals for their dead. They're social creatures, and they build nests in colonies. But watch out, they're known for stealing shiny objects and raiding crops. So what makes rooks truly fascinating? Their intelligence, social bonds, and adaptability. Want more bird secrets? Hit subscribe and join our flock.